love an old Acura. I really do. I love old Acuras. This old Acura is missing a little bit of its wood grain, but that's okay. The rest of the interior, that's my water. The rest of the interior is really good shape. I mean, it just is. Driver's seat is spotless. Okay, that's completely dizzying, isn't it? I'm giving you nothing by doing that. This is an 02. What are they? MDXs? RDX? Wait, MDX Touring 02 with, gosh, just a 218,000 miles. So it's got plenty of miles. She started up and ran nice and quiet. Good start up. Very quiet. Let's see how she drives. See if she's worth a crap. So far, feels pretty good. No warning lights. Just got an oil change reminder light going on down there. Very common. Here comes the other one. There's two of these here. There's the other silver one coming our way. It's an 06 and has the same miles. I'm gonna check it out next. Probably won't film it because it really is identical, but I just want to see if it's as nice as this one or if it's nicer. Because this one feels pretty good. Pretty impressed so far. Let's see. Climate control mode. Let's see. Make sure the AC is cold. Alright. Oh, yeah. Man, this thing drives great. I tell you, it's amazing the quality of a Honda product, Toyota product, compared to some of these other dang brands, man. Now, I know Acuras have their issues. I know they have problems with their transmissions and such, but man, this thing is all right here. I just not real sure how to use this. I don't know how to turn the temperature down. Ooh, this one's four-wheel drive. Maybe they all were. Great power. Yeah, this is a cool little rig right here. Cool little rig. Oh, there's the freaking buttons. Why are they up there? Shit. Let's see. Pull in here, right here. Let's see if I can get this AC. I just like to check it, make sure it works. Okay, AC. Let's get it to our face. Blower motor is a little weak, and I've noticed that on other Acuras. Just doesn't blow very hard. I don't think the AC's cold either. This is a good time of year to be selling them, the winter. Good time to be selling no AC cars. But hey, you can tell this is a Tennessee or Georgia truck, man. It does not have the slightest hint of rust. .5 VTEC. ultra low emissions vehicle. Vehicle. People make fun of how I say vehicle. Vehicle. This does have a timing belt. Would be nice if it had a decal somewhere saying it's been changed. Surely it's been changed at least once in 200,000 miles. Not a bad looking old rig, is it? Not beat up, no door dings or scratches. Got a decent set of, they're cheap tires, but they're decent. Came from Economy Honda here in Chattanooga. There's all the mats and everything. They're in good shape. The third row. I mean, darn, this thing is clean. I don't think this one pulled much family duty. If it did, they were very tidy people. And this back seat's not ass whipped. And the driver's seat, I didn't even show you guys that. Look at this thing. Looks like brand new. Yeah, this is a sweet little rig. Oh, that AC's getting cold. Just needed a minute. It's a pretty good little old rig. I like this. This is an old school Acura right here. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.